In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to Wix. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly transfer the ownership of a domain that you have on Squarespace to Wix. So, to do this, check for eligibility. Ensure that your domain is eligible for transfer. A domain cannot be transferred within the first 60 days of its registration or its last transfer. After that is done, you need to log into your Squarespace account and disable any whois privacy or private registration. Then, by unlocking your domain, you will be able to finish this process inside of Wix. On Wix, over here at the left, you will find the domains option. If you don't see domains appear here, you can use the search function. So go to Wix Studio, go over to Sites, and then look for the option to manage your domains. So usually it is going to be under billing and subscriptions, so you expand the option, go over to domains, and now you will find the option here, connect a domain you already own. Now this is going to be a premium feature. So sadly, I won't be able to showcase it in full, but if you have a premium Wix account, as soon as you choose the option to transfer, you will get instructions on what to do next. So you will input the Squarespace domain that you would like to transfer over, and by using an authorization code known as the EPP code, you will be able to have it transferred over to Wix. You will manage the existing domain on Wix after you acquire any valid subscription, and the domain name will be available here. Transferring your domain only moves the domain name itself. It doesn't transfer the website's content, so keep that in mind. Now, before I end, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.